Hello everybody, Andrew from Southbrook here, back again to talk about our single vineyard Riesling. So Riesling is not a great variety we do a lot of at Southbrook. This is, as it happens to be, the only one that we have currently in stock. We source it from Heather Laundrie's fully certified organic, what she calls her home vineyard, where she lives. Right just south of Beamsville on the top of Vinemount Ridge. It's number 5 on our vineyard map. So it's a little bit cooler, even a little bit further south, further away from the lake, and a little bit higher altitude. So a really great place to grow lovely crisp Riesling. So the 2017 vintage, which is what we're on right now, a little bit drier than the 2016 vintage. It's about 8 grams per liter, so it still quantify as off dry, so a little bit of sweetness, but really, you really don't notice the sweetness because of the searing, lovely acidity. It's perfectly balanced. Obviously no oak aging here, it's very fruit forward. It's all about that lovely lemon and lime and citrus, the apple, the green apple, green pear. And obviously very refreshing. So any kind of food that you're adding lemon to, any citrusy, obviously seafood is a big one with Riesling, but also something, the classic German Riesling pairing would be any kind of pork product. You really can't go wrong. So think ceviche or salmon with some lemon, or perhaps some pork chops and that kind of thing. So, a little bit off-dry Riesling, single vineyard from Vinemount Ridge from Heather Laundrie, grown lovely organically without any pesticides or anything being used. And yeah, here's to our single vineyard Riesling.